To start, I choose the font tool on the left-hand side. That looks like the letter A. I type out my words and then I just copy and paste it and complete this until I have everything I want right there together. And then I continue by spacing them apart and then also making sure that they're centered. The next thing I do is turn it into all black. It just makes it easier for my eyes to see it. And then I choose the fonts that I want to work with. And literally, I'm just going to run through the rest of this as quickly as I can, trying to get it spaced the way that I wanted and make it look exactly how I want. Sometimes I can be a little picky and overdo it, but I want it the way that I want it, so I just do what I want. I wasn't really happy with the way that the knot A fit into this design, so I did a rectangle over the top, and then I selected both shapes, centered them, and then I went to my panel and selected make, and this just makes it so that it's all one piece. I felt like this worked with my design so much better. I typically like to use the vertical space tool so that it spaces out my fonts evenly, but sometimes it just doesn't look good that way. So I'll go ahead and apply that, but then I'll move them manually to where I like it to my eye. Then, of course, I'm just going to do the horizontal spacing so that it's all lined up. Next, we are ready for our taper. Next, we're ready to utilize the conical warp feature in Silhouette Business Edition. I was using a tapered tumbler, so it was important for me to be able to put these dimensions in and warp my design. This feature is only available in Silhouette Business Edition. We do have a digital download link from our website in our affiliates section. The business edition also has some other great options like faux rhinestone feature and other options. So I highly recommend it if you're doing any type of designing. So I'm just going to finish this up to make it the way I want and then hit apply. And once that's done, I am going to group this whole design together. Happy crafting!